Wow, cute color pencils. Here are 36 shades of colors. These colors are so beautiful. You should use it with water. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a very cute lollipop easily. Here I am drawing the lollipop. Let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I draw the lollipop. Now let's start to color it. Here I take water. If you don't use water, the color will be so light. You have to use water to make dark color. You can see how I'm coloring. I'm using here deep pink color. And this color is really so sweet. Now I'm using red color. Here I'm using light blue color. Now I'm using purple color. Here I am using olive green color. And the last one I am using yellow color. Wow, the lollipop is looking really so cute. You should also try to draw it. And you should also try this color. This is called Fever Custard color. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.